Now, when it comes to painting, we're always talking about preparation. Now, part of that is making sure that you've got the right tapes for the job. Now, the Scotch Blue range have got a variety of different options for different jobs. Now, starting with the original one, this will give you a professional finish on a variety of different surfaces. Now, this one here is trim and baseboards tape. It's great for your architraves and your skirts, and it'll give you a super sharp paint line every time. Now, this one here is walls and wood floors, suitable for delicate surfaces and freshly painted surfaces that are touch dry. Now, with the Platinum range, there is both an exterior and interior version of this. What I love about this one, it's designed with these tiny little ridges that will give you a perfect 90-degree hand tear, so you don't need to use scissors at all. It just means you can get in nice and tight and mask up beautifully. How good's that? So, whatever job you're doing, get the right tape for the right job, and it'll make preparation a whole lot easier.